If you embark yourself in a mind renovation journey and you realize that you are making progress and you love all the changes that are happening in your life right now, it's time for you to organize an open house. Do you want to know how? Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, hello. My name is 𝐑𝐢𝐠𝐡. I am a confidence and mindset coach. Welcome to the Mind Renovation Series, episode 10. This is the final episode and it is called Open House. Today we are going to talk about sharing your personal growth. In a home renovation, when you organize an open house, you invite visitors, friends, family to come over so they can see all the transformation that you have made in the renovating the home. So this is the same thing in the mind renovation, where after you realize that you are making good progress and you feel like your life is changing for the better, you organize your own open house by sharing your personal growth. Sharing your personal growth and progress is like hosting an open house to showcase the end result of your mind renovation journey so you can inspire other people to start their own path to improvement. Renovating your mind is very good. Let's say, for example, that you decide to renovate your mind, or you decide to just, embark yourself in a self-development journey, but you don't know where to go from there. I am here as a coach and you contact me, we talk through it, and I ask you what exactly you want to gain from it, right? And you say that, I want to build self-confidence. Okay, I'm going to be by your side, guiding you through the process. And when you are making some improvement, you realize that now you can talk to people, you can be in public talking. You're gonna be so proud of yourself, and that joy that you are carrying inside is so intense that you cannot even keep it for yourself. You have to share it with friends and family. So now, by sharing your story, that's where you're going to inspire them, right? You're going to give them hope. And people who knew you before those changes will realize that you did something great, right? And this is where you are going to tell them, if I can do it, you can do it. Now it's your turn. By sharing your journey, your progress with other people, you can inspire so many people to start their own journey to build self-confidence as well. Or if they are already confident, they can be inspired by you to start improving whatever areas that need to be improved in their lives. All right, beautifuls, you know that I like to take a moment to pause and acknowledge you by asking you some questions. My questions for you today are: where are you exactly in your mind renovation journey? Are you making some progress? And if you are, do you feel confident already to share your progress with others? Write your comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I am also inviting you to like, subscribe, and share my videos with anyone you think might benefit from them. Thank you in advance for the support. If you are looking for some guidance to help you cope with some challenges in life, or if you need someone to be by your side to help you build the self-confidence that you deserve so you can start sharing your progress with others, click the link down below to book a free assessment call with me. From there, we will determine if we are a good fit for each other or if I am the best coach for you. I have added some new motivational mugs in my boutique. The message on the mug is rise above the noise and embrace the true you. This is the same message, the same design, but different colors. I think that I have 4 different colors in them, and I have 11 ounces and 15 ounces. It's not just a mug. This is a reminder that you are worth it. So before we conclude this episode today, I just want to remind you that you are watching the Mind Renovation Series, episode 10. This is the final episode, and today we talk about open house, sharing your personal growth. Just like an open house showcases the final result of a home renovation, sharing your personal growth and progress showcases the transformation in your mind and in your heart. It's a celebration of your hard work and progress, and it's also a way to encourage other people to start their own mind renovation journey. This is 𝐑𝐢𝐿, empowering you to rise above the noise and embrace the true you. Now is your time to shine. Let's shine together. Until next time.